Well, we're doing a little bit of work on it. Hopefully we can get a little further along where it'll run and drive on its own power. It'll start up and run right now, but I don't think it runs that great. And we haven't tested out the transmission to see if it'll actually move on its own power yet, but we're getting there. Little by little, slowly but surely. As you can see, it's pretty rough. These stupid aluminum slots, they just don't hold any air. So I ordered some American racing rims, brand new chrome rims for a rusty van, but at least the tires hold air. These ones, as soon as I fill them, a couple minutes later they're flat, so I'm getting rid of these aluminum slots. They're garbage. The aluminum corrodes and then they just don't stay. The tire doesn't stay sealed, and all the air leaks out. So this is the good side, believe it or not. It's not. It doesn't say much. The other side's even rustier. Fire it up!